Presenting Lusa RX 500 Plug and Play Kids and Baby Tricycle for kids of age 1 to 4 years. The Lusa tricycle comes in orange color. The dimensions of the tricycle are 80 by 51 by 86 centimeters and it weighs 4.5 kilograms. It is made up of alloy steel and has cushioned seat of extra comfort. This Lusa tricycle is easy to install as almost all the parts come pre-assembled and would not require much time as all the parts are smart plug-and-play based. There is a storage space to keep stuff for kids, be it zipper, stuffed toys, mobile phones and more. The footrest of the tricycle is both foldable and rotatable, which can be adjusted as per the need. Not just parents, now even elder siblings can maneuver the tricycle. The most important part of the tricycle is the seat belt. Secondly, the tricycle is based on zero-edge design platform for extra safety for kids. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.